Hi, I'm Danielle DeCamp with Intuition Salon and Spa. I'm the foot care specialist here. So after you have finished the entire pedicure, you want to make sure that you clean your entire area. Now what you really want to do is make sure you throw away all the cotton swabs and everything into a trash can. And you're going to throw away the pedicure sandals. You're going to make sure that all of your supplies that you need for the next pedicure are there and ready to be used. And the most important thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your pedicure tub is sanitized. That is one of the most important things to remember. You want to clean it out with barbicide and make sure it's completely dry. You don't want anybody going home with a fungus on their feet that was caused from the person who got a pedicure before them. And you also want to make sure that all your implements are sanitized. That is another very, very important part of this. Even your files and your buffers, everything needs to be sanitized, because those can also carry funguses. And that is what a foot care specialist does.